Hey guys, my name is Dharmendra and you're watching World Walk. So in this video, I'm gonna let you know about ransomware and types of ransomware. So please keep watching this video till the end and you will get to know about the ransomware and types of ransomware and how this works. So please, in layman terms, if we define the ransomware, then we can say ransomware is a form of malware that encrypts victims' files, and the attacker then demands a ransom from the victim to restore access to the data upon payment. And if technically we can say that ransomware is a type of malware from cryptovirology that threatens to publish the victim's data or perpetually block access to it unless a ransom is paid. So this is the technical definition. I hope you guys understood, and the terms used here, malware and cryptovirology, I'm going to define in the next slide. So let's see what is cryptovirology. So cryptovirology is a field that studies how to use cryptography to design powerful and malicious softwares. So here if you see cryptography, so cryptography works on the basis of the keys, public keys, which use basically to decrypt the encrypted files. And if I talk about the first cryptovirology attack, then it was invented by Adam L. Young and Moti Young. That is called basically cryptoviral extortion, and it was presented at the 1996 IEEE Security and Privacy Conference. So basically, if I talk about the process works in cryptography, as I said, the victims' files are encrypted by the attackers and they ask for a ransom to decrypt those files, and to decrypt those files you must need to have a key, right? And that key kind of concept comes in cryptography. So if you don't know the key, you cannot decrypt your encrypted files. That's why you pay the ransom and ask hackers, attackers to decrypt your files or data. So here is a process I have also shown in this slide. You can see there is a plain text that get encrypted, then you need a ciphertext to decrypt it, and then you will get a plain text. So this is a basic process works in cryptography. Now let's see what is malware. Keep watching. So malware, we can say this is a kind of malicious software. And if we define, then malware is a software which is intentionally designed to cause damage to a computer, server, client, or any computer network. If we talk about the kind of malware are getting used, so the major portion comes in the form of Trojan horses. I have also shown an image which shows like 69.99% malwares are type of Trojan horses, which is a very malicious kind of software. And the rest of the part, we can say about 30% comes in form of worms, adware, backdoor, spyware, and others. So this is a form of, we can say this is the kind of malware used during the ransomware attack. Nowadays we can say malware is used by both black hat hackers and governments to steal personal, financial, or business information. So these are kind of malware, we can say in layman terms, and they are getting used during the ransomware attack. So now let's see types of ransomware in the next slide. Symantec Group basically categorized ransomware in two broad categories. The first one they say is kind of crypto ransomware, and the another type of ransomware is locker ransomware. So let's see what is crypto ransomware. In crypto ransomware attack, Instead of denying you access, crypto ransomware finds your sensitive data and encrypts it. So holding the decryption key above your head until you pay the ransom. So in this attack, instead of phony pressure, crypto ransomware makes no attempts to hide behind a mask. It tells you that your data is gone unless you can pay enough money to get it back. As more data is stored digitally, such as bank statements and medical records, the pressure to pay the ransom increases. So we can say this is a real form of ransomware attack where you will realize how the things are going in your system. I have attached a screenshot. You can see how the attackers set up a system and want a ransom from any of the organization. They ask for a key, if you see in the screenshot at the last, and until you have a key information, you have a key to decrypt your data, you cannot get your information. So you are actually pressurized to get your data on the basis of ransom they are demanding. So basically this is crypto ransomware attack. Now let's see what is locker ransomware. Locker ransomware does not encrypt the files. Rather, it locks the victims out of their device. That means you cannot use your device until you pay the ransom or until you know the process how to prevent, how to remove this locker ransomware. Once they are locked out, cyber criminals carrying out locker ransomware attackers will demand a ransom to unlock the device. But we can say locker ransomware which locks the computer, but it is not that much dangerous like crypto ransomware. It can be removed if you have enough knowledge about the computer technology. So these are kind of ransomware attacks which have been done till now. There is a ransomware attack done WannaCry in 2017. Because of that WannaCry ransomware, 150 countries across the world were infected and paid the ransom to get their files. So these are basically the ransomwares and type of ransomware and the technology used during this attack. So I hope you guys must have got enough information about the ransomware, and if you have any kind of doubt, you can just let me know in the comment box. I will try to let you know about the rest of the stuff as well. And if you guys want any other videos in this, please suggest me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like my video, please do subscribe my channel as well.